The position off fuel filter is at the back seat of the car. The fuel filter is under the seat. At the fuel pump, pull up the seat, and you will see the fuel pump cap. Open the fuel pump cap. The fuel filter is sitting beside the fuel pump. To remove the fuel filter, grab it and remove two hosts. First, remove the bottom host by clicking the host clip with two fingers and pull it out. And then remove the upper host. Same as clicking two clip and pull it out. You must quickly close the fuel filter hole with your finger so the fuel didn't come out. Let's see how dirty the old fuel filter is. This is a comparison the old fuel filter and the new fuel filter. Look at the arrow mark. Arrow point up is upper, and the other side is bottom. Well, it is a different type, but I will install it anyway, cause it the same purpose. No big deal. Install the new fuel filter. Install it properly according to the arrow mark, upper and bottom host. Plug in the upper host first, until you hear the click sound. And then plug in the bottom host. Push it until you hear the click sound. Place fuel filter back in, to the position right like it was. Place the fuel pump cap back, and then the sit. That's all. Done. Like if this video helped you, and comment if there's something that I can improve. Remember to subscribe and bell the notification so you can't miss another video.